What is going on, TubeU? Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. Today's little video is not even about my car. It's about my cousin's car. Vortech Supercharged M3 E92. I'm not sure what the chassis code is, but it's the V8 one, the one that everyone actually loves. And just a short little video, little walk around, sights, sounds, you know, just me enjoying the car. And I figured I would share it with you guys because clearly I can't share my car with you, so I'm going to share his car with you. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you guys get notifications of these videos. Well, as soon as the Instagram channel, they load 376 slow, all one word. Like I said, until next time, TubeU, I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the clips. Ugh, boy, look at that. It's my first time seeing the Supercharged M. What a big ass cat can for nothing. Good God.
That's your first time seeing it?
How you even dump that mug?
What do you mean dump?
Dump the cat can.
Oh man, I gotta use a syringe.
Good God.
I use a syringe and just going that. It's got a drain on the bottom, but I just use a syringe, man. I need to check it. See what it's in, man. She dirty right now.
Where you put the oil at?
I can either go through here or right here. I use the top one most of the time.
And then drain it through the bottom?
Well, I got a drain line. You see right here? It's a drain line right there.
Oh, and then you get up under there?
Yeah, man. But this ain't no good like yours, man.
You got a little centrifugal one. I still don't know what side. What is it? V what?
V3.
V3? So it's close to the F1, ain't it? Am I tripping? Or how does it work for the Vortech? I don't know. Like how it compared to the Pro Charger. Because you got P1, D1, and F1 is the biggest. And then you got like F1A and all this other stuff. So I don't know what the V3 goes to.
Let me see what this, if you see what the CFM is. I don't know. I think the one bigger than this is the V3S2. Then they got an S3. Yeah, man.
He don't like to show me nothing, Uncle Robert, man. I told him he lucky. He lucky I shipped it back.
You gonna ship the car back?
Yeah, it was in Georgia. I should have had him bring it.
The car down here, go bring it. Talking about what's your car was driving? Oh, that's Nico.
Yeah, Nico.
Yeah. Oh,
Nico car down here.
Oh, y'all last time you seen my car? 2015.
Yeah, I ain't seen this mug. The last time I saw it do anything.
That's the last time I saw you.
Yeah, it was of course social media.
Yeah. All y'all car white, ain't it?
Yeah. Wait, who all y'all? Ain't number me and Nico now.
Yeah, but how about cool?
I might need to get in the back. Then go around the front. I'm actually shocked. You got to have some valves closed or something.
It's hot. It ain't no cold, so I just drove.
I was just expecting you to have like open headers and everything. Man, I want full race car, guys. Look at the stance on this thing. The 295s around here. The 4Gs. Big boy brakes. Now we come around front. Yes, sir. Good God. The blower going crazy, boy. Good God, boy.
It's your first time riding it, man.
Good God, man.
I ain't even warmed up on it.
Yeah, I know.
You'll get in trouble with a car like this, man.
That's why I don't need another one, man. This is why I want to bring my car down, man. Good. That's up. Let's get it, John. Let's get it. Let's get it, boy. Yes, sir. The M-Power, my boy. It's a real M. Keep your little turbo 6s, man. We like the V8s around here.
Granddad nigga popped like, what in the hell is that?
Race car coming down
Like
the
a
street.
NASCAR,
Damn,
man.
F1.
I was spinning right there.
Yeah, I
you know
felt
what
it. I felt it dance.
Yeah.
Y'all got to hear this mug. See what it sound like from the road. I should have ran down there to try to catch him driving by. I ain't fast enough. Ain't like my old days. I could have beat him down there. Slow from back here.